Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the quickest way. Let's open the dialer and enter a short code which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code we are provided with the IMEI number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to open them, open System Settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About, and then tap on the status. It should be on the second position. And as you can see, the IMEI information is right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.